In this video, I'll show you how to use Screencastify's Schoology integration to embed videos in assignments and materials. First, to get started, ensure you have the Screencastify app installed in Schoology by clicking Install Your Apps, selecting Screencastify, and clicking Submit. Once you've done this, you can head to Add Materials and click Add Assignment. From here, click Insert Content, and under Image and Media, you'll see Screencastify on the right side drop-down. From here, if it's your first time using the integration, you'll be asked to sign into your account, and then you'll see your video library. Select the video you'd like to include in your assignment. You'll see a quick preview of it. Click Select to confirm your selection, and then your video will be embedded within your assignment when you create it. Your students will be able to watch the video without leaving your assignment. You can also add a video directly to your materials by clicking Add Materials and selecting Screencastify on the right and following the same flow I just showed you in the assignment.